Unlocking an iPhone can be complex. Be cautious when choosing websites claiming to offer reliable solutions. One method is using the IMEI number to remotely unlock your device. Now, please move forward to find the best method to get your iPhone up and running again. Part 1. Best 6 iPhone Unlock Services to Unlock iPhone Online. 1. Doctorme. Doctorme can be leveraged to unlock your iPhone by IMEI. To use it, you need to select the make, model, country, and network provider. 2. DirectUnlocks. DirectUnlocks is an admirable iPhone unlock website that can help you unlock your device online. This tool can also remove iCloud activation locks, and it doesn't matter what iOS version the device uses. 4. Anemi. Anemi is a secure iPhone unlocker online that offers a free IMEI checker and iPhone unlocking services. It works directly with manufacturers like Apple to unlock devices and protocols that keep users from switching phone carriers. 5. Official SIM Unlock. Compatible with all iOS versions and iPhone models, Official SIM Unlock is an incredible platform to unlock iPhones online. It delivers a lifetime iPhone unlocking service that allows you to change network providers without complex operations. 6. CellUnlocker, offering an intuitive setup for clients to purchase iPhone unlock privileges. CellUnlocker unlocks every portable Apple device, including iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch, within a week. Part 2. Use the iPhone Unlock service to unlock your iPhone offline. It's quite annoying when your iPhone is SIM locked. In this section, we shall let you know about iOS Unlock with a full range of features. This one-stop iPhone Unlock service allows you to bypass almost all types of iPhone lock.